Constitution or totally ano yung end goal? Ano yung provisions na gusto niyo palitan sa Constitution or totally gusto niyo na palitan yung Constitution?
That will be decided by the Constituent Assembly.
I mean, parang pinapaubayan niyo na din sa Constitution.
Yeah, well, me personally, yes.
Why?
I believe that congressmen and senators are bright people.
So yung grupo nyo,
Everything.
hindi alam kung ano yung papalitan sa Constitution, kung ano yung details na papalitan dun sa Constitution.
Yeah, because
Basta ang importante lang
analysis, it will be the
basta ang
Constituent
importante lang
Assembly that will
maalis
decide
yung,
everything.
ma-diminish yung power of the Senate. Ano talaga yung end goal nyo? Anong papalitan nyo? Was it, term limits ba was part of that?
Well, I don't have a specific or structure already in mind. Of course, definitely, economic provisions have to be dealt with.
Bakit hindi na lang yun yung nilagay nyo dun sa initiative nyo? Kung economic provisions talaga. Kung yun yung, kumbaga, goal nyong palitan.
Ba't hindi na lang dinerecho sa economic provisions, di ba?
Madam Chair, Senator Binay, if I may just add, in our TV advertisement, nakalagay ho doon yung mga areas of concern. Yun po yung poverty, yun po yung education, foreign investments.
But your ad does not have any connection with the question. I'm sorry, walang kakonect.
Yes po, you are correct. Because kung hindi mabuksan yung pintuan, useless po lahat yung ipupush namin
pero
na
you created the
advertisement.
impression na yun yung papalitan. Yun yung PI nyo. When it's not. It's not wala dito nakasulat about education. Technically, pag natuloy ito, pwede na tayong parliamentary system of government, di ba? Anything can happen.
Madam
Tama?
Chair, any campaign, ang unang-unang move is to catch public attention. Yun ho yung purpose. And with all humility,
your campaign
na kapag...
wait, I'm sorry, yung kampanya nyo should educate the people about your
Yes po,
initiative.
yes po. Yun ho yung second stage namin. Meron ho kami, inabutan na lang ho nito
Di
lahat.
sana gumawa
But
kayo
in
ng
fact,
ad. Gumawa kayo ng ad na sinasabi talaga na ito yung
meron ho
yung
kaming
Senado.
nakasunod. Marami po sunod-sunod dapat po yun na Madam Senator. In fact, Mr. Oñate, ang kanyang focus...
Yeah, pero sinasabi nga ni Atty. Oñate, bahala na yung Constitutional Assembly kung ano yung papalitan dun sa Constitution.
Very clear, yung laman ng inyong ad is puro mga etsapuera, ganun-ganun. Pero ang laman ng inyong PI, Section 17, Article 1, Section 1, Article 17, yun ang laman. So, ganun pala kayo ka-deceptive ng mga tao. You deceive the public. At suportahan ninyo ang PI para ganito, ganun. Tapos, ang laman ng pinapapirma ninyo, i-diminish ang power ng Senado. How deceptive can you be with this kind of approach?
We understand. We apologize. We understand your frustration, Senator De La Rosa. But that was not our intention.
Attorney, but apparently, itong PI na to is just the first step towards charter change, right? Ano talaga yung end goal nyo? Anong papalitan nyo? Was it, term limits ba was part of that?
Well, I don't have a specific or structure already in mind. Of course, definitely, economic provisions have to be dealt with. Not just because we want an open economy. Actually, it's more because the CONCOM should not have legislated what Congress could legislate. Meaning, you can be protectionist.
Bakit hindi na lang yun yung nilagay nyo dun sa initiative nyo? Kung economic provisions talaga. Kung yun yung, kumbaga, goal nyong palitan.
Ba't hindi na lang dinerecho sa economic provisions, di ba?
Well, you can...
Thanks for watching Part Neil TV channel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Follow, like, comment, and share.